Now I want to show you one of my favorite features with the charting package that we offer, because this is really useful for anybody that trades options. So if we navigate back to the options chain, we're going to change from grid mode back to table so we can see all the different expirations. And let's say we want to look at the February 16th. So if you want to see how a price of a contract changed over time, how their premiums moved, you can just find the strike that you're looking for. Maybe I want to see this 200 strike. I'm going to right click on the bid or the ask, it doesn't matter. And you're going to get a feature that says view option in chart. Once I select this, you're going to see the price of how this contract have changed over time. So at some point it was worth 50 bucks, 60 bucks. As of today, it's worth about 242. So you can scroll through to see how the contract premiums have changed over time. And if you place any option orders, it will show directly on this chart as well. So let me give you an example here. Let's say I want to buy these February 16, 200 calls. I'm going to left click on the ask. Try to get it for markets closed. So this order won't really get routed, but at least you can see it on the charts. We have that working. Let's go back in. So you can see the working order on the contract directly in the option premium chart as well, right here. For now, let's go ahead and cancel it.